Introduction to Cloud File Recovery.
Losing an important file can be stressful, but most cloud backup services make it easy to recover deleted files. Whether you use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or another service, there are built-in tools to help restore lost data. In this guide, you'll learn how to recover accidentally deleted files step by step.
Check the trash or recycle bin.
Most cloud backup services have a trash or recycle bin where deleted files are temporarily stored. Go to your service's website or app and look for this feature. Browse through the list of deleted files and locate the one you want to restore. This is usually your first and simplest recovery option.
Restore deleted files.
Once you've found your file, select it and choose the Restore or Recover option. In Google Drive, right-click the file in the trash and select Restore. On OneDrive or Dropbox, use the Restore button. The file will be returned to its original folder, all within a few clicks.
Check versions and recovery time limits.
Cloud services may allow you to recover earlier file versions or set limits on how long deleted files are kept. For example, files in Google Drive trash remain for 30 days before being permanently removed. Some services offer file version history, letting you roll back to a previous version if needed.
Contact support if needed.
If you cannot find your file or if it was permanently deleted, contact your cloud services support team. They may be able to assist with more advanced recovery options, especially if the loss was recent. Always act quickly, as recovery chances decrease over time.
Tips for preventing future file loss.
Regularly back up your important files and learn your cloud services recovery policies. Use features like file versioning and two-step deletion, if available. Staying informed and proactive can help ensure your files are always safe and easily recoverable if lost.